Hello, my people in the house. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you go see this my video, I come here because my heart it dey bleed. Now what for why I road as they talk am. I come here on behalf of the women all over the world. I come plead, beg people, women, make una dey talk come out when it comes to domestic violence. Una dey talk, una no dey keep una mouth quiet, so that people go feel help una heart. I beg una. See one of our beautiful sister now, you don't pay me. And if we tell you now wetin kill her, na pastor beat her wife. Pastor, for that matter, beat the wife to death with his own unborn baby. We never know how the story be, but they say more could not judge, so that you don't judge others, so that you too may not be judged. We not come here come judge. I only come here come beg women. Make una they speak out, so that people go feel help una. This domestic violence where they cause na poverty. Poverty. Do something with your hands, na problem. If the man not give you they do something, you go feel get money, they do that thing. Where beating no go come. Where you know go they hold the man for waist, so you know say you know go feel beat the man. Today our spiritual father, as they preach, they do this in prophecy, they prophesy, they do this their vision today. Is it to come? There is a lady here. You just do abortion, come out. And this abortion where this lady do, na pastor, na give am belle. The pastor sit there inside the church, inside the there. As we hear and they say, may you come back later. May they come back, come talk am. Go to my work, go and see that beautiful woman where yours go so. Because of domestic violence. How long? How long? Human rights fighters, they don't talk. People don't speak. People don't try to help all this way. We know say women mouth no good though. Our mouth no good. We know. We know say we no go fit fight the man. Now that time when the man will say one, we will say two. We know say no go fit fight him. Imagine now. With your condition, you were pregnant. No matter what. They would have controlled their hunger. That would have not led to death now. That's why I say I quickly come out. Come beg women. Make una use una time, but una get now. Because this world, it go soon end. Now the way you say live on this head, no matter though. Don't please people and displease yourself. Don't please people and displease yourself. Be happy. Marriage, it be the sweet for our papa time, our mama time. Marriage is sweet. If they just come marry, you'll see them. All this one they do flashy for Facebook everywhere, social media. You go see them. Wedding entrance, beautiful. Traditional dressing, beautiful. Wedding gown, beautiful. Within 2 months, 3 months, marriage, kata. All the thousands of millions wanna take do that wedding. At the end of the day, na beating. Disrespect. If no man not disrespect the man go carry hand begin to beat the woman. So all those things I beg. Now beg would they beg both parties. More gonna take things easy. I pity that. That's why I say the girl she's too young to go like that. She's too young. And the most painful part is that she was pregnant. Son, for that matter. Just go like that. Okay, just go like that. Oh, the whole expenses made on her head during schools, when she was conceived in her mother's womb, grow, become adults. At the end of the day, now pastor hand die, beating. Now they say they don't even know where the pastor they don't go. My parents know they talk about man of God though. Don't want the rock of God to fall upon me. I don't talk of man of God, but this one touched me so much, because women are dying. They are dying in silence because of domestic violence. Some of us no fit talk, but this time we don't beg una talk. But the thing is that say the truth, talk the truth, so that people go tell you if you are wrong or you are right, so that you learn from your mistake. No can tell people lie and they'll come go they blame the man. Meanwhile, now you be the fault. Or the woman the man at fault, but we'll go they blame the woman. So come up with the truth so that we'll go help people go help now out. All this counseling, marriage counselor out there, they go help now. There is power in your tongue. There is power in your mouth. Speak. Ask God for direction. Ask God for direction when it comes to marriage. Ask God for direction. Go to my page and see that beautiful girl that just go just like that. Future husband, I pray for future husband. God-fearing one. Now, God-fearing one, I this one fine, so God-fearing one. The one will not come fear God, don't call. If God-fearing one can do this one, the one will not come they fear God. That one go come be. That means you go, you use nice clothes, slaughter your pieces you like kebab. Use your time now. Time na money. Use your time to do better thing. No sit at home. They press remote. Now, I see talking about poverty. They cause all this violence. Poverty. Because women wants is plenty. Women, their things is plenty where they want. And maybe the man of him meet up with the demands of the woman. And women with their bad bags. At the end of the day, bossa for face. The man will beat Chris. Come for your body. The man self, maybe himself not see na Benji, Shushana man, manageable. For him to calm down, we no say one. That's why they say do courtship so that you go understand una self. Una no do courtship, una do courtship so that you understand your partner. Preacher don't preach. Motivational speaker they don't talk. People where they do joke don't talk. People go feel help themselves heart. Manna does not come from heaven. It is you that will help yourself heart. So that you will not go they receive beating. I want buy you my hair. Picking school fees they there. Which man want answer you where want give you my hair where school fees they there to attend to? Come join online business they do now. So that you go feel by that woman hair where they pepper you for body. So that ekpa blow no go enter your face when you ask for unnecessary demands from the man. A problem. Pikin needs better thing to do. You go see him friends say, "Mommy, my friend bought this kind of bag. My friend bought this kind of shoe. I love it." Because you don't get time, you'll still wait for the man. You'll do a list, write the list down. They wait for the man. Where you know the income that comes in the home. Money where they enter house, you know. Even some men, that's why I say they know they tell us the amount where they come, the salary where they receive. But you see do something with your own hand. Go to In short, I don't know what I want to talk again. I beg women, wait, they under domestic violence. Mona come and they talk, oh. So that you no go lead to untimely death like this, our beautiful sister. Go see this, our sister. That guy too fine to go like that. Just like that. After kindergarten, primary school, secondary school, university, at the end of the day, that's why you just take go. Just like that. You won't even go. Now with Pikin. And the same Bible will say, touch no my anointed and do my prophet no harm. We don't know where this word they go. We don't know. And it's written in the Bible. All these things so they see, it don't the Bible. God don't even talk and say it go happen. But now we go use wisdom to tackle them. Before you enter marriage, pray. Don't we know that if you go there, yeah, people they don't worry, don't like. Let your heart speak for you. Your mind is the transformation of yourself matters a lot. Your mind, let your mind tell you what you really want. Don't allow people to talk for you, so that you know go fall victim. Tomorrow, now that same people go come see tell you say, not you say that man good. Not you say that woman good. Let your mind speak for you. The time where you say they listen to friends, go, they listen to motivational speakers then. Go, they learn. Those young girls, even those of us who don't see enter house, more see go, they learn. Marriage na school. Marriage not they finish. Marriage na school and everything, because why? You are from two different ethnic. You are two different person now. Who come and click as one person now. Your way of style and the way of style is not the same. But what matters a lot is perseverance, patience, tolerance, love. When this thing dey, everything go home smoothly. They go home smoothly. Domestic violence, mona stop ham. Now people, children be down one. When me cry come out, I guess I get oh. I guess I get, eh? Even my brothers who don't marry, they know they beat their wife. I will not even allow it to happen. I tell them I don't want to hear that thing at all. Now Percy Pikin be that one. Now Percy Bonner. I'm not taking easy. Violence needs to stop. Domestic violence needs to stop. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. I'm so bitter to see a young girl like just waste just like that on the hands of so-called pastor. The other one pastor give him belly, he go to abortion now, no whom again. They will now run, come meet online business people, help also supplement. When you don't use your hand, combine things. Eh? Before you go open leg, you know nothing na man of God. He marry you. I think they say no na keep on a body for the temple of the Lord. Till na marry. The whole preach where they preach. I don't know whether they enter here, they come out from here. People don't talk. Joke people don't use them for joke. Say them. But would they love them? Say that they use all those talents till they make money. But the small thing way they make talent, they say they make money. Mona pick small thing way be the truth inside. Take put to take practice for your home. Eh? Take good care of yourself. Problem. Everything you want to wait for your partner to do all. They not be good though. They'll tell you they not be your mates. They do online business. Now what they will see tell you. Your mate they sell guguru, you know go join they sell guguru. Your mate they sell corn, you know roast corn. Your mate they sell yam, go roast yam. Do something with your leisure hands. Don't be a liability at all. You don't say well, we don't leave all those liability women. Many I'm not sure say now few liability women I can't dey on board now. Few liability, you there for your comfort of your home. They do your business. The same time they take care of your children. You go there around your children, they know them, wait till they go there, wait till they want, wait till they don't want. Before the man come, you don't arrange everything. I blow one content at that kind of person face. When you don't go steal. Eh? If you call the man say, give me €100, may I take start online business. You see say the man no go give you, when no say the thing go come to addition later. Today, as I talk so, today now our payday. And we dey happy. All of us, they happy. Those of us when we grab the opportunity to say, more we change our story, change our family, change our life. We dey happy today because why? Today now our payday. Not be kitchen day so. Eh? And they pay me my God don't go in own hustling. Don't go in home. And they pay now. Go arrange what you want use now. I enter kitchen. So before you come, food on the table. They go come give me blow. Ow. Where the blow one for come? Some people, you just see that they tattered, look so haggard. Very young lady, beautiful lady, because of stress and lack of maintenance. When you ask and say, oh, you're not looking good, you will say, you know, say, do I get many children? The children not be making, not lie, yo. No cover to take care of himself. It look haggard more. When you stand with your peer group, that's when you know, yeah, people don't leave you behind. Go stay with your friends. When they wanna grow together, born together, where they take good care of themselves. Your home, domestic violence won't kill you for there. You not feel speak, come out, make people help you. Me will tell you what it be. But before you come tell us about this, your domestic violence, something, tell us the truth so that we will tell you who wrong or who right. Please, our brothers, our uncle, our papa, our daddy, any neighbor would they call you now? I beg. Now beg one beg you now. Mona stop this violence. Mona stop this domestic violence. It's getting out of hands. It's getting out of hand. If we not use the women to do rituals, we will kill them, we will beat them. Amen. Where from? When I rims we from come out now. If you pinch yourself and you see say pain you know if you don't to another person. Now atlas people they call those ones. Those ones we don't get human sympathy, they don't get at all. Now by force to even marry. But not be by force to marry. If other people they marry not they your dictionary, just stay your home. Stay your home. Don't bother. All those reverend father will not marry and call, they don't die. Marriage is not meant for everybody. It's not meant for everybody. If you're not capable of taking care of you're not capable of taking care of another person's child, no need to marry. Just date like that. They'll date single, not because. That's why you see, say single one mother, or maybe all those one now. That's why I say some single mother, they just want to be single mother on their own. We know. Why some? If they open and tell you their story, you go sympathize with them. Say good as you be single mother. Why some? When they tell you their story, you tell them say you're supposed to date for that home. Date there, arrange and wear. I beg. Now this one now come out say me I just can't do as they hurt me, so they pepper me to see young girls like our age just go like that. and all of now when they call, I'll see you as that. If you know say God not call you, don't force yourself to be a pastor. So that you not mislead people. People know they agree go church again. Because of so-called man of God, 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 people don't go church again. Eh? When soon I come, they learn from inside the Bible when I want preach to follow us. If you know the anointing of God is not upon your head and God did not call you, you call God or God, I don't know which one. The way I don't know which one I want to talk. And now God the call person, not be you go call God. Do. Stop it. Quick money, then make all of them say God called them. Say now that's why they say church has no business. If God calls you and is with you, you will never do mistake. You never mistake. Church go full. Tomorrow go down. You know, go ask question. Some of you now, not be pastor. Sunday school teacher now they give you. Now go and do Sunday school. Go and do Bible study. Teach Bible. Just stay there. Do Sunday school. Usher. Choir. Don't come down and say, I heard from God. It took Moses 7 days to hear God's word. Where you now come back on the tell us God said, so you say not say that one. Please, oh. You are not there. Man of God, this one. Man of God, that one. Man of God, that one. I don't know this word. Now one kid the old women finish. That one will come up belly now. Man of God, now give him belly. Because he want cover the identity of the man. This one now I put for my page now. Man of God, now I kill him with him picking. In your born child. Domestic violence. We are pleading. No more domestic violence. No more domestic violence. No more. We don't want to do riot. Because if we do riot, it go too bad. I do not want to cook for Nigeria. Wash your clothes. Take care of una like baby. One I remember son I go hold now. We go there to take care of una. But now the way you take treat us now, we go take treat una. One I don't hold though. One I not go come the worker. I get go they use stick the worker. I take it easy with women. We know say women mark not good too. But man, take it easy with us. Please. And the women out there, try and do something with your leisure time. Try and do something with your hands. So that no man will talk you down. Don't be a liability woman at home. Don't be a lazy housewife at home. Sit down there. Gossip from morning till night. Watch on video where they don't pay them. Look all the YouTuber. Look all the social media network. Look the one we get for, two we not get for. Who speak English, who not speak English. You go there, they condemn them. They use your data, they condemn people. When you use and do online business now. And they knock for your door now. Can't do online business. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Don't be a lukewarm. They look who they go, who they come. And don't worry, I will drive limousine when the time comes. Well, limousine want to enter your hand. You they look at those social media and say, hey, my husband just surprised me with a lovely car. My husband just bought me 21 Range Rover. Oh my God, 21 Range Rover. The woman know what they do. Wait to support the home where the man see go borrow money for bank to buy that 21 Range Rover car for as gift. You don't see surprise gift for Facebook. You now carry the way. Packaging. Do things with your leisure timeline. Come let me will change your life for now. We they call una mona come join us to business so that no man go come sell blow give you. Your hair go come swell up because you have time for human hair. Makeup. Women program they come. Money not there to buy. You want has the man when your character dirty for back and front full. And the man want bring it So when you they do your own online business, they get your money as they pay us today. For today, where I supposed to be happy say they pay us, I come here can't talk about domestic violence. Where one find CC Eko don't go. Opportunity for everybody. You will not spend time to do registration. Registration is free. My company, registration, Life Plus company, registration is free. Wait till you do now supplement, eat time, make your body they refresh. When you have a good body, when you are taking care of yourself, taking care of your family, taking care, and money still on the enter, you register people, put for your back office, everybody they pick, you they pick, the person they pick, that one person, one way introduce they pick, everybody they pick, you go be, they'll pay you. You go reach you to buy with them. You go reach you to pick your supplement back again for the next month again. I did kitchen now because they don't pay us. Cook. Eat good food for myself. Can't supplement myself with my supplement. Take good care of myself. Business people go they call. The time why I know they do anything out there. I say be one of them before. I be victim before. When I go sit down, they look people. Oh, she's looking good. She's beautiful. Me, I know not say my maid that they make money for social media. When you have a lot of fans in your page, Facebook will pay you. When you have a lot of fans in TikTok will pay you. YouTuber will pay you. All channel there for you women to make money. Because now house with the men they hustle. And you will see some men go see come back for work. They will come see also to get followers. They will see pay them. Then you, fabrica, you know they go. Office work, you know they do. All you just know, bath, makeup, sit down and watch people Facebook. Oh, they post today. Monetary spirit. They monitor everybody where they the Facebook. Where they collect their money. Violence must stop. Domestic violence must stop by force. Women, come out when you are being violated. Speak out so that people will help you. You need help. Don't say, the supplement is so expensive. What is expensive more than your health? Now, when you don't go for bed, you lie down for hospital bed. Then the money there for your bank, they cool. The person primary as this young girl don't die now. All the old money now where she get now. Who want to take her? Are they going to bury her with the money? No. Enjoy yourself now. As it is hot. Enjoy yourself now. So that people know when they enjoy for your boy. May all of us reap the benefit of our labors. May untimely death never come and meet us. All in the sake of marriage. All in the sake of struggle. May untimely death never meet each and every one of us in the mighty name of Jesus. May we never be a victim of death. May we never be a victim of poverty. May we receive sense. We need sense. Sense. The truth. We know say people say online business plenty way fake. Any online business without product is fake. Only this one not be the one where they tell you, see my product as I buy and it go come. Different type of product it go come. As you buy and you'll see your way till you buy. If you buy something for AliExpress, they're not gonna give you. They're gonna send and can't give you. If you buy something for Amazon, they go send and can't give you. Now be business. Not be business. How did they talk? Pay 10, bring 10,000, I give you 20,000. The 10,000 where they come put journal. Now who get her? Now you work and put for there. Eh? Until now. Oh, the Bible say our people perish because of lack of wisdom. Now una need. I don't know why I not get that bell. I for ring up. Una need sense. How can somebody come and deceive you? Like the one that when you post, can't give me message. Don't worry, just bring 500,000. I give you 1 million. Like seriously? 500,000. You give me 1 million. The many half where I for come from? Ha! Sure. I beg go. As I buy my supplements, people where they under me buy their home. My company give me my payment today. The way I work, now my company they pay me. They know they hard, they know they subtract. As you work, now they will pay you. If now 10 people buy product under you, now that 10 people money now they go pay you. Which everybody know the compensational plan for each of our company. That's why I tell you, say, company weigh something there. When you order and go reach your house, now be business for online. Not be the one where you go tell you, say, so 10,000, reap 20,000. Bring 500,000, reap 1 million. Bring 2,000, reap 4,000. Me no know whether now you put the money for the deal. Whether there be machinery where they work money to duplicate the money, can't duplicate and can't give you. Please, my brothers and sisters, help me to share. Share this video. Let this video go viral because we women, we are tired of domestic violence. 1, we are tired of lazy women. 2, people get handwork. If you become abroad, all of them can't stay lazy. Can't they depend on government money? They no go do the work again. Many people get handwork. Some are tailor. Some are hairdresser. Some are teachers. Children where they born for year. When the language they had them, so you will be teacher. Could they teach them for us? English, they there. Some address say you want to speak Italian for them. So they are gift in your hand. Use it wisely now. Use that gift wisely. Now this one say me I can't tell people this morning as I divest so because I know wish anybody dead in the hands of pastor. I mean a pastor not get anything come. We will not. I know they drag pastor. I know they the page of pastor fighters. No. In my page, I don't talk about pastor. But what baffles me most is that unborn child died with a mother, violated by a man of God, beat the wife to death alongside with the baby. That is my grievance. Then the other one give Umabele, pastor. The girl went to do abortion. Whom not the gay. No whom now. Not be another man want marry that one put for us now. Then you will see God, the same man of God again. God, please, Daddy, pray for me. I've been married for 10 years. No fruit of the womb. When you know, say the fruit of the womb don't come out. Tete from another man of God hand. Now you take come out that fruit of the womb. You'll see go meet another man of God to pray for you. Say you they look for child. As the man of God talked today, come out, let me pray for you. And the pastor was here too. Come out, don't be ashamed. Come out, let me pray for you. You see, huh? Pastor come out, get belle. Another pastor want revive the fruit of the womb. Just look at. Just look at. The word is Agadakudu. Not receive sense of women come out from violence. Not let love go kill you inside there. At the end of the day, now that 4 corner, now they'll come put you because of love. Open and speak, but tell us the truth, as I say. Say the truth so that people will help you. So that people will help you. I am against domestic violence. I am against it. I don't like it. None of my brothers will be a partaker of that. Never. Never. and I will never be a part. No. Some domestic violence, no. Yeah, you want from can't happen. Why? I know I have a good taste of life. So I don't want to be a liability for one man. No. Everything the man, everything the man, everything. No. Everyone help those who help themselves. So I'm helping myself with my online business. I'm that is contented according to Italo. I'm very contented with it. All I do, eat and speak. Maybe my business. And on the 15th, I will be paid. As we pay today, I'm happy. So I'm doing my cooking. So let me continue with my cooking. So women will see say they want to sit down, they wait for man will go hustle come. When high go come the red, when you come hustle money, where go come give you blow. Your hand will come go one corner. You know if you come out for where your friends dey. When your friends are talking about billions, you they there. Ah, you guys are just lucky for this. You know, can't join the run the race now for the business. Eh? Do something with your hands. Don't waste that hands for nothing. To be typing rubbish on social media. God bless you all. All my beautiful team partner that came on this live. God bless you. All my brothers and sister friends. Thank you. Just share this video. Please. We are begging on behalf of women. We dey beg now. Mona not they beat us again. Violence, we don't need them again. Domestic violence, we don't need them again. I beg. Mona tolerate us the way we be. You know, say our mouth not still good. Mona bear with us like that. Now so God create us. But we'll go try to amend it. So we they see they help, they teach women how to control this their mouth too. No, they say only business they do. We see the help in the areas of home. This is how you need to do with your partner. Good one or not be bad one with the talk. Good one. Please help us. We are pleading. Domestic violence must stop. Please. It's getting out of hand. Please. Those of una wanna they carry people video go viral. I beg you see this video. Would they beg? Make them stop this domestic violence. Please, my dear brothers and sisters. Thank you and have a blessed week ahead. I love you all. One love keep all of us together. Bye for now.